In the app stores of 2025, design isn't decoration, it's a growth strategy. Users judge your app in seconds, and your design choices directly affect install rates, conversions, and even retention. In this lesson, we're diving into the top design trends that are proven to boost install rates and how to apply them to your own App Store presence. Trend 1, Bold Minimalism. The age of clutter is over. The most successful apps are embracing bold minimalism, clean layouts, striking colors, and sharp contrasts. Why it works. Simplicity reduces cognitive load. It makes your screenshots and icons easier to process. Users can instantly identify what the app does without being overwhelmed. Apply this by using 1 to 2 brand colors maxi hack, leaving generous white space, highlighting one clear value per frame or screen. Trend 2, Statement Typography. Typography is now doing double duty as both information and art. Big, bold headlines overlaid on screenshots or used in app icons create instant clarity and emotional punch. Use custom fonts or stylized typography that reflect your brand, but keep it legible, especially on mobile. The trend is large, uppercase, bold statements that say it all in 5 words or less. Examples: crush your goals. Track everything instantly. Zero stress budgeting. Trend 3, soft gradients and neon accents. Subtle gradients are back, but updated with futuristic flair. Think soft, dreamy backgrounds with pops of electric blue, neon green, or sunset orange. This trend creates a sense of motion and energy, perfect for lifestyle, wellness, and productivity apps. Combine gradients with depth, shadows, layering, and gentle blur to make visuals feel modern and immersive. Trend 4, modular scrollable previews. Apps are increasingly mimicking the feel of social media feeds in their screenshots. Instead of static images, the design implies interaction. Swipe to explore, scroll to reveal more, tap to dive deeper. Create scrollable style sequences with UI in motion. Arrows, swipes, hand icons, anything that encourages action and discovery. Why it works. It mimics natural behavior and shows users how the app feels, not just how it looks. Trend 5, Real User Moments. Instead of just showing UI, many top apps are showcasing real-life contexts, like someone using the app during a workout, a calming bedtime scene, or a coffee shop productivity moment. These lifestyle visuals create emotional relatability. They help users visualize the app in their own life. Pair this with subtle overlays of the actual UI to make the experience feel seamless. Trend 6, Cinematic Preview Videos. Preview videos are evolving into mini trailers, fast edits, music-driven motion, and cinematic pacing. Even productivity apps are adding subtle animations, motion UI, and emotional storytelling to their preview videos. In 2025, boring screen recordings are out. Compelling, well-edited motion design is in. Final thought. Design trends evolve, but user psychology stays the same. People respond to clarity, beauty, motion, and emotion. Use these trends to enhance, not distract from your message. Your visuals should always reinforce your app's value, ease of use, and transformation. In the next lesson, we'll shift into ratings and reviews, and how great design encourages great feedback. But for now, audit your app listing. Is your design stuck in 2019, or is it ready to win in 2025?